We got another wild creation here from my man Barry. We've got a 60 by 32 hog flipper on the off-road package. Got the big upgraded chrome wheels and tires. Got the pull handle with the D-ring on it. D-ring tie downs all the way around. Let's check her out, guys. Now I'm gonna open it up. Y'all can see what we got going on in here. The hood is gas strut assisted, makes it very easy. So we've got 2 grates in here. This top grate is removable. Set your hog in there, set your chickens in there, tighten that top grate back down. And then when the time is right, it's just that easy, guys. Flips right over. Now you don't have to do that. You can use just your top grate. Here you got 1 cooking level. When you flip it, it's about 4 inches closer to the fire, so it gives you some versatility there. We'll open it up. This is all 1/4-inch plate steel. Insulated on the bottom, so holds heat great, makes it very easy to run. Does not take a lot of charcoal to get this sucker going. TMG Pits Tell Truth thermometers, of course, on the door there. Got a shelf over the rear axle. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.